नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट की। मार्केट्स आर गुड डजंट मीन दैट यू शुड नॉट बुक प्रॉफिट, कीप बुकिंग प्रॉफिट। आई एम अगेन एंड अगेन saying in each and every video, keep booking profit, don't be greedy. As such, you know very well December month has started and you will not coming to know just all of a sudden when the FIA comes on going on selling, as they take a big leave in December and January. Coming to the stock, Hudco was lying calm, but in few days it has moved on. It is close around, I guess, 247. The stock has potential to move on ahead. As per my view, the stock has to move towards target of around 350. Just matter of patience, nothing else. The whole market depends on the strength of the investors. If they have patience, they can earn good enough. If they just lose on their patience, they will always book loss. Coming to the stock, Sandhar Technology. Sandhar Technology gave a breakout of around 40 rupees, you know very well, in 2-3 days, just because the cyber threat attack was there on their few of their systems. Company has taken precaution to just overcome with the issues by the help of their cyber security team management. Soon it will hit towards the target of 690. Just matter of patience, as I said earlier, and you will find it moving ahead. Today I have brought two stocks for you that would be quite beneficial for you. Still, I would like to repeat once again, each and every stock has been analyzed by myself fundamentally. I don't do analysis technically, but fundamentally. Each and every video is been analyzed, stock has been analyzed by me fundamentally. It doesn't have any correlation with any broking field nor any rumors. So before buying any stock recommended by me, just go through the description of the video. You will get details of the stock, whereas take suggestions from your friends, your expertise, your colleagues, and so on. Then only buy my stocks. Whereas the stock has been analyzed by myself, so I am taking precaution with respect to the stock as such, so that the stock doesn't give any loss to any investor. I am suggesting with best of my knowledge. So coming to the stock, King's Infra Venture. King's Infra Venture, the full detail has been given in my previous video. You can go through it. It is related to the aquaculture. The stock is fantastic. My target for King's Infra Venture is 200 to 220. Coming to the stock, Mazgaon Dock Shipyards. It is a fantastic stock. The stock performance is excellent. The stock holds good order book. The stock has potential to move on. It is close around 4,945. The target for Mazgaon Shipyard, personal view, is around 5,500 first target, and second target 5,950. That is around 20% for second target and 11% from here for first target. Coming to the next stock, many times it happens the investors are searching for the stock that are of lower value in the sense lower rate, but the stock can be bought in multiples so that they can get good benefit on it. So same way I have brought one more stock. The stock name is Kritika Wire. The stock growth is good enough, fantastic, I will say. The sales are continuously growing, profit is also continuously growing. The stock is lying bit near to the year low. The stock is around closed at 13 rupees. The stock manufactures 12 types of wires like mild steel wire, GI wires, etc. If you are feeling to buy the stock, again take suggestions from your expertise, your friends and colleagues, and you can go for it. The target for Kritika Wire, my personal view target is 53% returns on it. Target is around 20 rupees, from 13 rupees to 20 rupees. You can go through the description where I have given the details. And if you like my video, you can click the like button, share, subscribe, so that many of your friends and relatives and all, they can just check out my video, go through the stock details, and they could also earn good enough. Thank you once again for listening to me. I will be back with more stocks after searching for you that could give you good returns on your investment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Trade safe.